you've been around Forex for any time, then you know what the #1 problem in the industry is. Robots that worked yesterday don't work today. How many times have you bought a Forex robot with great backtests, great demo trading results? In fact, fantastic numbers and stats all over the place. But after placing it on a real money account, you saw your deposit evaporate. How many times have you bought a Forex robot backed by real money, live account performance proof, but after placing it on your account, it lost most or all of your deposit? It's a huge problem in the industry, and mostly it's due to the fact that the majority of expert advisors are overly optimized and extremely curve-fitted. They've been trained to perform brilliantly on historical price activity, but are basically useless when confronted with new price movement, i.e. real-time market activity. It's like trying to drive forward, but only looking in the rear-view mirror. Eventually, you crash. Why hasn't the problem been solved? Simple. Because it's hard work to produce a Forex robot that is resilient enough to withstand the test of time in real-time live market conditions. Most FX robot vendors quickly learn that in order to get you to buy their robot, all they need to do is hype it to death on their sales page, use some fancy graphics and enticing words, add a little image manipulation with Photoshop, and bingo, they have you asking where to pay. So why invest time and effort into producing something genuinely good if they can get you to fork out $67, $97, $119 or more for their crappy products? Hopefully you get the point. Let us tell you a little secret. Most FX robot vendors are marketers, not traders. Ask them about strategy implementation, risk versus reward, market conditions, technical analysis, price-driven trading, volatility, or any other term important to this business, and see what kind of answer you get. So, what is really possible to achieve with an automated FX trading robot? Over the years, traders have asked us what is really possible. What are the real capabilities of a good, stable, market-adapting FX robot? Well, that's easy. Steady gains, low drawdowns, and high accuracy. An EA with a genuinely good trading strategy behind it will adapt to new market conditions, and that is the key to trading. That's the real challenge that serious FX robot developers face. And there is the issue. It's hard to design a strategy able to cope with every single market behavioral change. Forex Megadroid is known for its unique capacity to adapt. We believe no other FX robot out there is capable of adapting to new market conditions and behavior like Forex Megadroid does, which is why it's been so consistently profitable over the years. It explains why the internet is filled with rave reviews about the robot, and why after almost 3 years on the market, it's still the #1 product in the automated FX trading industry. What separates Forex Megadroid from the rest? Primarily accuracy. We have not encountered another Forex robot that has such a high accuracy rate, especially one that has been sustained for so many years. We're proud to say that Forex Megadroid's accuracy rate is over 95%. But what does that actually mean? Simple. A high accuracy rate means a smooth equity curve. No big bumps in the road. Less stress for our traders, and of course, high profitability. Now, please pay attention because this is important. There are hundreds and hundreds of FX robots out there. You've probably stumbled across quite a few already today. We dare you to find another robot that has been continuously available on the market since the first quarter of 2009 or earlier, and has been updating trading results transparently, reporting each and every trade that the robot takes. Unlike many other Forex product vendors out there, we are not a fly-by-night operation. We've been here for a long time, and we're going to be here for a lot longer. We're a brand you can trust when it comes to real performance, real technology, updates, technical, and any other type of support. As thousands and thousands of FX traders have learned, by becoming part of our team, you become part of a family, a culture. Join us today.